Well, the winter rains have finally arrived. Yay! And now we get a chance to practice bivvy bag camping in the rain. So I'm going to set up my bivvy bag and we're going to see how well it does in the rain. So there's actually a little break in the weather, which is good. That looks great. Let's turn that down. And there we go. I've got a pillow. Another pillow. So we put our haversack in our bivvy bag. I've got this little umbrella. I'm thinking of this, poking a hole in it. That. So let's show you what it's like inside our bivvy bag. Right, I don't know if we're going to be able to show you what it's like inside here, but let's have a look. There's the umbrella. Here is my pillows. There's the top with the plastic. Here the umbrella. So I don't think rain's going to be able to fall in that easily. If it does, I want this bottom folded back, so any rain must drip outwards. And then, yeah, looking down the bivvy bag, there you can see my feet, haversack, umbrella, pillows. It's as simple as that. Let me just lie down. As I say, this is all trying it out. Now we just need it to belt down and really rain hard so we can see if we stay warm and dry. So it will belt down, it will really rain later on. I'm glad we've got this all set up. We'll be able to see how wet it gets inside here. I haven't even got a sleeping bag or anything in yet because I just want to see how damp it gets. I haven't got a ground sheet. We'll get a ground sheet and put that in here. So at the moment we're just trying out stealth camping. And if any of you are interested, I would suggest you just go into your backyard, sleep under the stars. Do something to make a start, because I think there's a great skill. There's a great, what can we say? It should be called an essential skill, maybe taught at schools. How to stealth camp, how to camp with nothing, how to make do with nothing. You know, maybe economics too. How you don't need much to survive. You just need a sandwich, a couple of sandwiches a day, and your clothes. The good book says just having food and raiment, let us be there with content. It doesn't even talk about having shelter. So I've got one extra thing. I like this idea of an umbrella holding up the plastic. I really like that idea. I want to see how it works. Also, I think it may be able to channel the water away from. That's the only thing that I'm really thinking might be a problem. But if it is, I'm just going to sneak deeper down into my bivvy bag of plastic. This is a piece of plastic from a mattress. So it didn't cost me a cent. Just came with a new mattress to protect the mattress. I have a tarpaulin, which I'm sure works great, and it's camouflage. This is not a stealth camp. This is very unstealthy. Just listen to the rain dripping. When it really belts down, I think you're going to hear a lot more. So far, super comfortable. What's quite nice about this plastic is you can see through it too. Obviously, you're sleeping in a big plastic bag, so you don't want to suffocate yourself. So I guess there should be a warning for kiddies, suffocation risk. But yeah, it's not like a clingy plastic, so it should be fine. And obviously, one must be careful not to fall asleep. But you seal off the ends of the plastic so well that you could suffocate. But hey, I'm sure there's enough holes. In fact, I see there's a hole, which I mended all the holes with sellotape, and I see there's one hole there that I missed. So I'm sure there are holes already in this. But it's a great thing to learn to stealth camp. And I know, to me, stealth camping in good weather anywhere doesn't seem to be, it's not even a challenge. I never worry about it. To be honest, the only place I'm worried about stealth camping is on the beach, where I think they could arrest me. I've been kind of putting that off. But maybe when it's rainy on the beach, it might be great because there'll be nobody out in the rain. So rain adds another level of stealth to your stealth camping. And then I would use camouflage and a beach sand colored tarpaulin to hide myself. So I'm kind of putting that off. And in the meantime, yay, it's winter. I want to see how warm it is, how waterproof it is. And if I can stealth camp in the heart of winter through the worst rain, which we get, our rain is a winter rain, it's a Mediterranean climate, then I know I'll be good. It'll be just another little notch, you could say, that nothing will make you scared or afraid. You could be homeless. All you need is a plastic bag, and you'll stay warm and dry. So, yeah, that's a great thing in life, to just know that all bases are taken care of. And what did it take? What did it cost? Nothing. Who needs a house? Who needs materialism? If you looked at my last video where I said just take a match, throw it into all your possessions and walk away from it, can you do that? I'm not saying you should do that. It's a dumb idea. But the attitude should be, I can walk away from everything and I can sleep under a plastic bag or make a stealth shelter and sleep there. That is the whole attitude. So, this is great so far. Let's see what it's like in heavy rain. Well, it has not rained hard, but it has drizzled incessantly. I've brought along a little rocket stove. It's a coffee can with another can, a big can and a small can. All of these have got cement in between them. And the concrete creates a nice hot environment once one gets a fire going. So we're going to try and get a fire started. I've got some tissue paper I'm going to put in. We've got a few sticks. And bark and stuff. Let's see if we can get a fire started. I don't know how well this stuff burns, but let's give it a go. There we can see our toilet paper at the bottom. So I've got a fire starter. So we're going to try and cook us some, I've got here some spaghetti and beef meatballs. I've got us a little pixie pot. And once that's burning, we're going to make ourselves some food. You can see the flames coming out the top now. So that seems to be burning quite nicely. We'll put a few more sticks in the bottom. So there's our rocket stove cooking everything. Well, I think that is almost done. I think that's warm enough. Let's try it out. That is so delicious. I love the spaghetti and meatballs. As you can see, it's staying pretty dry, yeah? That warmed everything enough. Our cheese melted. So that's just perfectly hot. So far I'm pretty impressed. I think we can stay warm and dry here in our bivvy bag. It's fairly spacious. There's more space behind me here. And I don't think it matters if you get a little bit damp. I mean, the goal is just to stay, perfectly warm. So there we go. And then we're ready. We've got everything we need. Stealth camping in the rain. Well, it's not stealth camping, but it's camping in the rain with a nice plastic bag, an umbrella. We've got our umbrella here, a rocket stove, and meatballs and spaghetti.